In today's video, I'm going to teach you using the Retail Barcode Labels app. By the end, you'll know how to install the app, generate barcodes for your products, and print labels that scan cleanly at checkout or in your stockroom. Let's start with the setup. From your Shopify admin, head to the Shopify App Store and search for Retail Barcode Labels. Open the app listing and install it to your store. If you're prompted to approve permissions, go ahead and confirm so the app can access your products and variants. It helps to have the right staff permissions in Shopify before you begin, especially if you're not the store owner. Now let's create the barcodes themselves. In your Shopify admin, go to Apps and open the Retail Barcode Labels app. Click Create Barcodes. You'll see two choices: create barcodes for specific products or create barcodes for all products. If you only want codes for certain items, maybe a new collection or recent arrivals, choose specific products. Select the products you want, then click Add to include them in the batch. Next, decide whether to create barcodes only for products that don't already have one, or to replace any existing barcodes. Be cautious with the Replace option. Changing a barcode can break a workflow if you've already printed labels or shared those codes with other systems. When you're ready, click Create Barcodes and let the app assign them to your selected products and variants. With barcodes in place, it's time to print labels. From your Shopify admin, go to Products and select the items you want to label. Use the checkboxes to pick all relevant variants. Click the ellipsis icon, the three dots, and choose Print Barcode Labels. On the label screen, select a label template that matches your label size and printer model. Picking the right template is key to proper alignment, so match the exact size your printer uses. Specify how many labels you need for each variant, as a common approach is to match your label quantity to the current stock count. But you can set any number you prefer. When everything looks good, click Print Labels. Before you run a full batch, preview the print and, if possible, do a quick test on a single sheet or a few stickers to confirm alignment and print quality. If the print looks off, double-check that the template matches your label roll and that your print dialog isn't scaling the page. Once you're satisfied, print the full set, apply the labels, and you're ready to scan and sell.